Hey, what's really good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dymund. From the title of this video, you know it's a Zara haul, so let's get right into it. Thank you for joining me for another Zara haul. If you are new here, then let me just quickly let you know that this channel is all about hauls, motherhood, familyhood and good vibes. If that's what you are into, then I want you to hit that subscribe button right now. Do not forget to turn on all your post notifications so that you don't miss out on nothing. Anyways, now that I've got the housekeeping out of the way, do you know what? Every time I do Zara hauls, I get super excited anyways. I don't know why. Like my blood is pumping and I'm just like so into it. Anyways, so I got this top right here. This top is absolutely gorgeous, and for the price, okay, let's just talk about the price. For the price of these Zara items, listen girls, just like this one here, this one was $17.99 and it's this bodysuit, it's this knitted bodysuit, and I really just like how long the sleeves are on this one here. The material is really lovely, really nice and thick, and it's also got our beloved shoulder pads. My beloved friends, look, our beloved shoulder pads. And of course it is a bodysuit, so it's got the two little, is this a buckle? I don't think this is a buckle, but it's got the two little things just here at the bottom of it. So I've got mine in a size medium. Look at this. All it's missing is the little hole. It should have had the holes. It should have had the holes in it. I mean, apart from that, I absolutely love this fit. The V-neck, a little bit low for me. I'll definitely find myself pulling it up every now and then, but apart from that, I absolutely love this fit. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely the type of tops to take that picture with. You know this picture where you're reaching for the camera? This top, the way it feels, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I've got another shoulder pad detail top right here. This one I've got in a size medium, and to be honest with you, I could have went for an XS, okay, because I felt like it was a little bit too big. But however, I really do like the quality of this top right here. It feels really luxurious, and it was only $12.99, and this is what I mean about these Zara prices, okay? And this material is polyester, and there is a stretch to it, and this is why I think I could have got an XS and it still would have sat, you know, really nice, gorgeous. And then it's also got the seam, it's got this little seam just at the back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little bit big. I definitely could have went and got it in an XS, only because I feel like it's a little bit big around just the sides here. I don't really appreciate the fact that it is showing so much. I mean, apart from that, it feels absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it feels like butter. It's so soft. It's so soft. It's like one of those cozy blankets, you know. It's absolutely soft. I really love this one. Yeah, so apart from the fact that it's just a little bit big around this section here, I love it. I absolutely love this one, and I love the color as well. And again, it's got my lovable shoulder pad details just there, so it's giving my shoulder a little bit of attitude. And this is its length, like this. So I teamed up that grey top with this absolutely gorgeous 4-lever mini skirt just here. Gorgeous button detail that run just at the front of the skirt just there, and it is pleated all around, okay? It is pleated all around. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the details that this skirt gives off. Like, it's absolutely flat, you know, it's gorgeous. It's like that futuristic. I got mine in an S. It could have been a little bit tighter around the waist, but it's nothing to really complain about. And this was $25.99. $25.99 for this absolutely gorgeous skirt, okay? I love the pleat details just there, and I also love the gold button details that just run at the front. It's a mini skirt, so just bear that in mind, okay? But I absolutely love the structure of this skirt. It is absolutely gorgeous. Ladies, do not forget, ooh, my hair's all over the place. Ladies, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to put my handle details right here. Make sure you follow me, send me a cute little comment, and just let me know where you've come from, you know, just be like, hey girl, I've just come over from YouTube or whatever, and we are going to get chatting, okay? I'm on my way to 20K. I'm on my way to 20K on Instagram, so every little helps. And I absolutely love the color. The color on this is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, $17.99 is going to get you this top from Zara. Again, very cute, and I got mine in a size S. And it's also got a zip detail just here, so it's got the vent just at the back here, and you wouldn't even know there's a zip there, honestly. Let's talk about the padded shoulders just there. It looks absolutely divine, absolutely gorgeous. It's almost like this top was designed for my neck. Like the way it's comfortable, it's just, oh. Listen, I'm here for these colors. Look at the color, it just absolutely complements my skin. It looks absolutely gorgeous on me. All I can say, this one is a bit of me, 10 out of 10. The blazer that I used for this outfit here, it's an old blazer, you guys know about it. I love this blazer. I don't know, they don't have it no longer in online, so there's no point of me really showing it to you guys. What? You still want to see? Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, cool. You still want to see it? So yeah, it basically just looks like this. It's an old buy, but you know, they no longer have it on the Zara website, but they have got, you know, something similar. This hoodie for me was more about comfort than anything else. Okay, I just needed a hoodie that I can just, you know, just lounge about in and, you know, do certain chores, you know, whether that's school drops or whatever it is. I'm a mum of 4, so sometimes I just want to wear that same black hoodie Monday to Friday to do my school runs, okay? And that is not a problem. I got mine in a size S and it was $25.99. Zara has delivered again. Each and every time, all of these outfits are just bomb diggity, 10 out of 10, honestly. So it's got the little pocket just here at the front, which comes in really useful. To be honest with you, I don't think I'm ever going to wear the hoodie up, okay? That's just real, okay? And this is the length of it. It comes down like this. This is how I would like style it. This is how I will style this hoodie. So this one literally surprised me. This item surprised me so much. I thought it wouldn't fit. I thought it will come up too short, but listen, it really hit me by surprise. This piece is absolutely gorgeous. I've got it in this mocha color and I've got it in a size medium and it was $17.99. I absolutely love the way this looks on me, how it feels on me, like how it made me feel. Everything about these leggings are absolutely gorgeous. And of course, it's also got the little split detail just at the end, which on my channel we absolutely love. We love a little bit of split hem detail. Absolutely perfect. This is a medium. I was worried. Usually I get an XL or an L when it comes to these leggings from Zara, but these bad boys in a size medium fits absolutely well. This absolute gorgeous sleeveless jumper here is in a material viscose and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color, I love the way it feels, I love the way it looks, I love the price on this one as well. It feels absolutely gorgeous. It's $29.99 for this absolute luxury, top quality, top-notch material, top-notch jumper, and everything about this just screams autumn. Autumn is my favorite season out of the 4, okay? I absolutely love autumn. How many times did I say autumn? Comment down below. But yeah, I've got this one here, absolutely gorgeous, like I said. And I decided to pair it up with this very long line shirt just here. The shirt I got in a size medium and it was $19.99. So it's got buttons that run down the front of this shirt and just on the side there as well. So there are splits on both sides of the shirt, absolutely gorgeous. It's got this fantastic collar details, fantastic button details, and I love the way that the white is just striking. I love the length of this one. You don't particularly have to wear it the way I've worn it. This is how I decided to style it, but you can definitely do something different to it. And I decided to wear mine with these knee-high brown boots just to go along with the whole autumn theme, autumn vibe. This hairpiece that I'm wearing today is from the Amila collection. For more details on this hair, just click onto this link right here and it's going to take you over and show you what this hair is all about. All right, ladies, there we have it. I have come to the end of my Zara autumn try on haul. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Stay prayed up, stay beautiful, and stay safe. And do not forget to comment, to like, to subscribe. Turn on your post notification and turn it on all so that you don't miss out on nothing. Stay prayed up. I love you guys so much for watching. I appreciate and love you all. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.